Finally found a parking spot. It's the third place we've come today. Finally getting in the water. We got Jason parked right here. The boat ramp's right there. Oh shit. Yeah.
Show him that power paddle.
Give it to him. Jason's working to keep up. There he comes. Time to hydrate. It's Comal Park. Came from all the way back there. That's still Jason paddling in. There's a little island right here, trying to get to the cliffs. All right, almost back to the boat ramp. Paddle, I think we went 4 miles and then back, so 8 total. Not bad. Gonna get up, truck's parked up here.